Folks, hello and welcome to Math 112, Calculus for Aviation. This is Jeff Barrows, and I'm going to be your instructor for the next 9 weeks. What I wanted to do, first of all, is just send along my welcome, along with what you have in the welcome note from me here. The purpose of this particular video is to just make a couple quick points. Number one, I will post a video with something I hope something of value for you every week related to the course information. And for this week, what I wanted to do, as you have probably already read down through this and got to the point where you saw the link for this video, I just wanted to highlight a couple of quick things in this list of 1 through 4 to get started here to make sure everybody's off on the right foot. Number one, again, just a quick introduction. It'll be good to to learn a little bit about everybody since we're going to be spending about 9 weeks together, and certainly we want to make this as personable and collegial as possible. So I will look forward to getting an intro post from everyone, and looking forward to working with everybody and learning a little bit more about everybody. Again, number two, please make sure you're carefully reading through the syllabus. If there are any questions on the syllabus, don't hesitate at all to either send me an email or give me a phone call. The course materials, I think everybody should have access to my labs within a couple days of starting the course. And if you have any problems with that, obviously let me know there as well. Number 4, each week, we're going to have discussion posts, as is typical in Embry-Riddle courses. The exam weeks, week 5 and week 9, these will take on a little different format, but the other weeks are all going to revolve around a set of functions that are going to be assigned uniquely to each of you, and they're going to be graphed in a tool called Desmos, which I have noted here is a really wonderful tool for especially for a first semester calculus student to do a bit of analysis and really some critical thinking. Excuse me. What I wanted to do here is, as I note, there is an Excel file attached here, and each of you is going to be assigned a student number so that you can find your specific list of graphs in Desmos. And let's see, I'll just show you a link. It's down here. You can click on that. When you click on that link, you'll see your name in there. You'll find your student number, and you'll also find the link to Desmos. Now, I have already copied that. What I wanted to do here is post this and make sure that everybody is landing in the same spot. So when you go into that Excel file and you can just copy and paste the Desmos link out of there into a browser window, and then you will see students listed from 1 to 35. And so your first discussion post is just simply going to ask you to graph 3 functions and then tell us a little bit about domain and range and some term you're going to hear about called continuity, which is really the kind of the bread and butter for the first 5 or 6 weeks of the course as we study differential calculus. I don't think anybody's assigned student number 32, so I'm just going to click on this. So when you click on your assigned student number, you're going to see 3 graphs, and these are going to be your best friends for the next 9 weeks. Now, when you I think what's probably going to be best for everybody is to just, I expect it just to copy these and set up your own Desmos file, and that way you can come back to it. One of the things I just want to mention to you is that once you get all 3 of these into your own file, one of the real beauties here of Desmos is just clicking on this circle to the left, and this is the graph of that function. And if I were to click on my second function, function B, I would see both of them graphed, and you'd say, well, I only want to show one of them, so you simply just click off function A, and then the same thing for function C. Now, there's a method to the madness on all of these, and I don't want to kind of steal the punchline this early in the course, but like I said, these will become your best friends over the next 9 weeks. You're going to be learning a lot about these sorts of functions. You'll notice each is different, and as you get into that first post, you'll understand the difference between all 3, and then again, as we go forward, you'll understand why we have given you these 3 different functions. So I just want to make sure that, number one, everybody sees the Excel file that has everybody's name and their assigned student number, and then you find the link to Desmos. And number two, I just want to make sure everybody lands here and is able to understand what you're going to see when you get here. So again, you just need to click on the whatever student number you are, copy these out, and then start your own Desmos file, and you'll be off and running. And that way, that first discussion post, like I said, you'll have graphs of all 3 along with domains, ranges, some discussion again about continuity. And again, that will be a really good start here for a first semester calculus student. So as I close out here, let's see, in my welcome note, the biggest thing, folks, here, being a distance student and a distance instructor, the one thing I always kind of fret about is I have students out there that are either confused about something or afraid to ask questions. And I just want to say, questions are really good. They're good for you. They're good for me. And I certainly don't want anybody out there feeling like you're on an island and nobody here to help you. So please, again, don't be bashful about sending me an email or sending me a text. You have my phone number here. And please, again, don't be bashful about getting in touch with me. So I will look forward to the next 9 weeks with you all. It's a great course. As you're going to see, we're going to study really 2 basic problems that form the foundation of calculus, differential and integral calculus. And I hope towards the end of July, everybody will have found this to be a good experience and to set you up well for whatever it is remaining in your coursework related to calculus and the applications of it in your other courses. So again, I just want to welcome you. I wish you all the best over the next 9 weeks. And if there's anything I can do for you, please let me know. Thanks.